What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to record the screen on your Mac using free and built-in options. First, the easiest and quickest way to start recording your screen is using the QuickTime Player application. Open up your Spotlight search and look up QuickTime. Open the application and this window will open up. Next, in your top navigation, select File, New Screen Recording. A new menu bar will show up at the bottom of your screen, where you can select to record the entire screen, a window, or a selected portion of your screen. When clicking on Options, you can also choose where to save the screen recording. Once you're done, set a timer before QuickTime should start recording. You can select to capture your microphone while recording and choose whether to show your mouse clicks during the recording or not. You will also have the option to record a different screen if you have multiple. Click Record and QuickTime will start recording your screen based on your selected preferences. Once you're done recording, click on the record icon on the top right of your screen. The video file will then be available to you, recorded in your native screen resolution. This is a quick way to record your screen for free, using built-in options, but you can also use other free applications such as OBS Studio to record your screen, as this will give you more recording options. To use OBS, head over to obsproject.com or click on a link in the video description. Here, click on macOS and then select either macOS Intel or macOS Apple Silicon, based on which Mac you're using. If you're using a newer Mac, then it's most likely Apple Silicon. The download will start and the downloaded DMG file will show up in your Downloads folder. Simply double-click the file and a new window will open up. Drag and drop the OBS icon into the Applications folder to install the app to your Mac. You can then open OBS for the first time and you should only see a black screen. In your scene, you will have to create a new source. Click the plus icon in your Sources section and click on macOS Screen Capture. Name it whatever you want. Enable Make Source Visible and then click on OK. If you use multiple displays, then select the one you wish to record. And as your method, use either Display Capture, Window Capture, or Application Capture. If you choose Application Capture, you will have to choose which application to capture during the screen recording. The same applies with Window Capture. Click OK, and then you will see a recording preview at the top of this window. Adjust it by dragging the corners of this window if needed. And then, we can go ahead and adjust some additional recording settings. Click on the settings on the bottom left of this window. Here, in the Output section, we can adjust the recording settings. Set the correct recording path. This is a location where OBS will save your screen recordings. Below, set the recording quality. The higher you set this to, the larger your recording files will be. Set a recording format, such as MP4, and set the video encoder option to hardware, Apple H.264 if you can. Lastly, in the video section of your settings, set the base resolution, which is the native monitor resolution, and the output resolution that you want the video to be in. In my example, it's set to 3840 by 2160, but you can lower it to 1920 by 1080 if needed. Setting Lanczos as your downscale filter will yield the best sharpness in your recordings. And then, set the recording frame rate. Set the FPS option to 30 if you don't intend on recording fast-paced movement, such as video games. In that case, you should set it to 60. Click OK and apply your changes, and then you can start recording your screen. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.